So when you say GoPro turn off, so there, it turned off automatically.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we will be discussing about the voice control feature of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So to start with, to take the camera out of the case to have a better presentation here, just press it out. Okay guys, you have to turn it on first. So there. So when you turn it on, from here guys, all you need to do is just slide on from the top of the screen here, going down. So from here guys, you can see there's a logo and it's not yet enabled. As you can see, it's not color blue. So all you need to do is just select on that one, and when it turned blue, it means the voice control feature is already turned on. So when you go back, and as you can see guys, we are on the video mode, and if you want to test the voice control command, all you need to do is say something. So if I say GoPro take a photo, so right there, so you see it already and when you want to record a video and you want to go back to video mode, just say GoPro record a video. See, as you can see guys, it's already recording. You can see the timer there, it's running. So that's it guys, it's so easy to use the voice control command for the GoPro Hero 7 Black. And the good thing about this feature is that you don't have to press all the buttons here every time you want to change mode or turn off or turn on your camera. So we are still on, and if you're done using your GoPro, if you want to turn it off, just say GoPro stop recording. We're done recording here. And if you want to turn off your camera, just say GoPro turn off. So there guys, it's so easy to use. There you go guys, it's the voice control feature of this GoPro Hero 7 Black. If you like this video presentation guys, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more of my upcoming videos, please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified on my latest uploads. So that's it for now, and I'll see you on my next video.
the only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.